Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to make amazing background using CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it, guys. If you want to create amazing background with the AI feature in CapCut, of course, first of all, you need to download this CapCut application. You can download it from Play Store or Apple Store. And after you have downloaded and installed this application on your mobile phone, you just need to open this CapCut application and you can go to the text to image feature, this one. And here you will be able to create an image you want. You just need to describe the image you want to generate. For example, I'm going to create magical forest. Okay, then we can click on generate, and we have to wait for a moment until the image has been generated. There will be some options for you and you can choose the image that you like. I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and then we can click on save to save this image, and after we have saved this image to our device, we will be able to use it to be our background. I'm going to create a project in CapCut, and I'm going to I'm going to add my video, and I'm going to replace the background of this video with the image we have just created. I'm going to remove the background of this photo using the background remover. I'm just going to select auto removal, and then I'm going to go to the background section. Click on the background, and I'm going to select image and click on this icon to import an image from our device. Okay, I'm going to add this image, and as you can see, guys, that now the background has been changed. Oops, sorry. As you can see that the background has been changed with the image we have generated with AI. Alright guys, and that's how we can use AI feature in CapCut to make amazing background. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.